Most of you might know that Parallels recently they updated their app to support the Apple M1 chip, and it runs quite nicely actually. It's quite stable. It's actually perfect, but it's not free. It's paid. So I actually wanted to find a solution for this, and yeah, it turns out there's um, there's a solution actually, and I'm going to use the UTM app to demonstrate this. It's actually totally free. So first, what you have to do is go to your web browser and type in mac.utm.app. I will leave this link below in the description. So over here you'll see two options, download and Mac App Store. So the problem with Mac App Store is that it's paid. Yeah, it's paid because um, it does auto updates for you and all those stuff, so it's paid. But if you want the free version, you can just hit download. It will download it. It's the same, exact same on the App Store and over here. So after it's downloaded, go to the folder where it's saved. In my case, it's in the downloads folder. So yeah, this is on utm.tmg. So I'm just going to double click on it, and it should open and it should mount to your virtual disk. Yeah, so it has mounted over there. So next what you do is you drag and drop it into the applications folder. Done. So now you go to this link. I'll provide this in the description too. You need to have a Microsoft account for this, and it will ask you to sign in. Then you can access this page. So over here you can download the Windows 10 for ARM 64-bit insider preview. So just click on this button and it will start downloading. I already have this downloaded, so I'm not going to download again. So open the UTM app. Then click on open. Then hit on create new virtual machine. You can name this virtual machine whatever you want. I'm going to name mine Windows 10. And over here under styles, you change it to operating system, and click on this desktop icon and change it to this Windows icon. Go under system. Over here you will find architecture. Click on this and should navigate up to ARM 64. And over here you can give up to 2 to 4 gigs. I'll give 2 gigs for now for this demonstration. So 2 gigs. And then next go to the drives tab. Over here click on import drive. And from there you just import the Windows 10 virtual hard disk, the file that you downloaded from Microsoft website. Okay, and then change this to NVMe. Important. This is important. If you don't do this, it won't work properly. And click on new drive. Check removable, and click on create. All right, this. So yeah, the drive part is done. Now you go to network tab. Over here, make sure this thing is virtual IO network PCI. And under the sounds tab, make sure this is Intel HD audio controller. Now click save. Now click on this play button. Yeah, your Windows 10 should be starting right now. Give it some time. It will take about 2 minutes around there. So yeah, it has finally booted up. And what you might realize is that you can't see your mouse pointer or anything. So what you do is you hit command tab. Then now you can see your mouse pointer. Then just leave it somewhere up there, and then hit command tab again. And yeah, your mouse pointer is this. So then if you want to control the VM, hit on this button, click on this button, and there we go. You got the mouse pointer inside. Just click next. Yeah, click next and click skip. Click I don't have internet for now. And yeah, continue with limited setup. Accept. So here you have to uncheck all of this, like the things that Microsoft is going to tell you. Just uncheck everything. So just click on not now and give it some time. It should load to the desktop. All right, so yeah, we have successfully booted into Windows. Now you would realize that there's no internet connectivity here. So first we'll just fix that issue. So what you have to do is um, hit Control and Option. This will release your mouse and you can now control your host machine. You can now hover over your host machine. Now click on this icon over here. Click on this and click Change. So this is the other file that you have to download. This is from UTM's official GitHub page. I will leave the link in the description below. So this thing will be there. So you mount this ISO file on File Explorer, and from here you go to the CD drive. Over here you'll see a netkvm setup information file. Then right click on it. Then click install. Yeah, allow. Just click on yes. So now you should have internet connectivity. Over here it will actually say that it will show this symbol as there's no internet, but the thing is it's actually just a bug. This UTM has a lot of bugs actually, uh, but it works. It actually works pretty well. Speaking of bugs, there are actually quite a few. So let's say, for example, you just full screen this, and then if you notice, you can see black bars around the sides, both sides. So I don't think there's any solution for now, but I'll update it if I'll update the description if I find a solution. And the other thing is that, as you can see, when I move this, there's slight graphical glitches here and there, but they're not major, so that should be fine. And if I find more bugs, then I'll just update the description with the bugs. And if I find a solution for those bugs, then I'll update those too. So for now, thank you. See you next time.